Ron. So, I've installed my new inverter Solis. So I modified its Wi-Fi module actually, so that the reset button is easy to access in case of reset. And there's the display of it. So the limiter is also installed and fully set up. Now it's sunny day. Solar powered span. It's a trellis for my bitter gourd plant. It looks weird, but maybe it will help the plant to produce more fruit. Now it's molting. Should I say it's changing its new leaves. Okay, sunny day. Dragon fruit. Ginger. You can see it's my ginger. It's almost a month, but this for new pot. It's newly planted right here, so I just cover it with dried leaves to help it so that it will not get burned or getting sunburned from the scorching sun. This is my dragon fruit. For now, this time I will not do pruning on this one because hopefully maybe next year we will hope we will get a fruit in this plant. Hope it will bear fruit. Then my solar panel. There's my stevia. Right now it's sunny day here.